Here 3 is nothing but quotient. It is quotient. 1 is nothing but remainder. What is that? Remainder. Now to get the remainder, we have to use percentage symbol.
Coffee, huh?
To get the quotient, we have to use by operator. By operator.
బిర్యానీ ఏం తిన్నా అనుకున్నారు మీరు?
Clear?
వెజ్.
What is by and what is mod?
నాన్ వెజ్ ఉంది, నేను వెజ్.
Is it clear or not clear?
తింటాను కానీ డాడీ సామాయండి ఇంట్లో.
Nitin.
అందుకే.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now actually these are used to evaluate
కాఫీ తాగండి.
the arithmetic expression. Means simple formula.
డైలీ నాకు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అయినా.
What are the formula? You already know. The formula for simple test TTR by 100.
అయితే నేను టీ కోసం మార్నింగ్ షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తాను.
So a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus
అట్లయితే
2ab.
బెటర్ ఇక.
A minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. These are called arithmetic expressions. To find the result of those expressions, we have to use these operators. So these are called arithmetic operators.
డెమో 5 అని ఉంది.
The operators,
అది ప్లే అవుతుంది.
నువ్వేదో ప్లే చేసావు.
those are used to find
డెమో 1 ని ప్లే చేసి
the result of
పాస్ చేస్తాం కదా, అది వేసేసిన తర్వాత
arithmetic expressions
యాడ్ చేస్తాం. కానీ రావడం ఇది వస్తుంది.
are
ఫస్ట్
called
అనిపిస్తలేదు, దాన్ని
arithmetic operators. Are called arithmetic operators.
వస్తాడేమో అడుగుదామంటే వచ్చుడే లేదు.
I will explain some programs on this. Write a program to read two numbers, comma, find the sum,
అసలే సమ్మర్ ఇంకా మళ్ళా
comma, subtraction, comma, multiplication, comma, division.
అట్లా అన్ని పనులు చూసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఈ ఒక్క పని
You
చూసుకోవాలి.
need to perform the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Right. Now here we need to read two numbers. So integer a comma b. We need to evaluate these two. Then you will get the result also. So I create three variables. A is the first number, b is the second number, r is the result. Clear? Is it clear? Now we have to read two numbers. How to read two numbers?
హలో సార్, చెప్పండి సార్. హలో సార్, యువర్ వాయిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఆడిబుల్ సార్. ఎస్ సార్. దేర్ ఈస్ నో షెడ్యూల్ సార్ అడ్వాన్స్ అవ్వ. There is no schedule sir for advance our new batch. Yes sir, videos available sir. Yes sir.
Good morning, friends.
5K sir.
My dear
5K.
friends, good evening. Okay, thank you, Krishna sir. Okay, Kalyani,
No sir.
Vaseem,
No sir. No website.
Tanvi,
I will give
Bhavika.
Google access sir.
am I audible?
Website lo levu sir. Sorry.
My dear friends, am I audible?
Hello. Sir. Hello. Sir, pin the WhatsApp message, sir. I will.
Kalyani, am I audible?
Okay, sir.
Good, good. Right.
వచ్చింది.
If anyone unable to hear my voice, please do one thing. Rejoin the class. That's it.
VLC ఉంటుంది,
You
రైట్
simply
క్లిక్ ఇస్తే
leave
లైన్
from the class and rejoin.
1 2 3 4 5 అని ఫస్ట్
It's
దానికి
an-
వెళ్ళిన.
Right. First of all, good evening once again.
Sir.
Let me introduce.
Hello. Advance.
My name is
videos కావాలంట.
M.C.P. Saheb.
ఇప్పుడు వెబ్సైట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి కొనుక్కోవాలా లేకపోతే మనమే ప్రొవైడ్
Right.
చేస్తాం
I have
సార్?
experience
కావాలంట.
of 22 plus years of
నేను
experience I
ఇక్కడ
have.
నెంబర్ రాసిపోతే ఆ అబ్బాయికి మాట్లాడండి సార్. సరే సార్.
I am I completed my M.Tech and I am pursuing PhD
హలో
in the stream of CSC.
వస్తున్నా ఫింగర్ వేసేసి వస్తున్నా ఉండు ఫింగర్ వేసేసి వస్తున్నాను అయిపోయింది వస్తున్నా ఉండు
Right.
మెట్రో
I can teach the subjects like C language, C++, Java language, Python language, advanced Java, advanced Python, data structures, and web technologies. I can teach very well all these subjects. Right. Today I am going to explain you
సార్ హలో సార్
the history of C.
You want recent
Before
videos
going to
or
that,
old videos, sir, for advanced
I will
Java?
explain you the syllabus within a minute.
Sir,
Syllabus.
you want recent videos, sir? Okay, sir. That cost is.
I will teach you the
5K, sir.
fundamentals. Fundamentals of C.
Sir, all topics we will provide recording sessions, sir. In Google
Next
Drive
one.
access, live
Input.
recording videos and materials and.
And output functions available
Class notes also providing, sir.
in C.
One need access something, sir.
Operators
Sir,
available in C. Control statements,
sir, you
like
want
if
live
statement.
classes or videos, sir?
else, switch statement,
You want live classes, sir?
while, for, do
Sir,
while,
but time 1 month,
break,
new batch is scheduled.
continue,
There is no schedule for new batch, sir, in this.
go to, like that.
Yes, sir.
Now I will explain the concept of arrays. It contains 1D array, 2D arrays, strings, then I will explain structure, unions, enumerators, type def means user defined data types. Then I will explain functions, then pointers, files, and command line arguments. These are the topics I am going to explain you. Today I will explain what is the history of C language. What is the history of C language? My dear friends, wait a minute. I will setting the system settings. Right. My dear friends, do you know so many programming languages are there in the world? C, C++. I already explained you so many languages. C, C++, Java, Python, advanced Java, advanced Python. These programming languages are mainly classified into three types. One is low level language, second one is high level language, third one is middle level language. Actually, C is a middle level language and it is also called as high level language. I will explain the history, then you can very clear about it. There are so many high level languages. One of the popular high level programming language is BCPL. BCPL. The meaning of this one is Basic Combined Programming Language. It is the BCPL stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. It was developed by Martin Richard. It was developed by Martin Richard. Martin Richard. At this time, at the development of BCPL, there is one operating system. That operating system is called as DOS, Disk Operating System, DOS. Actually, DOS is a single user operating system. Means this operating system can support only one user at a time. Only one user at a time. Multiple users cannot use this operating system. Single user operating system is a less sufficient to use multiple users. So then they need to develop a multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system. To develop this multi-user operating system, they used to write code by using BCPL. After some time they came to know this language is not enough to build a multi-user operating system. Then they want to develop a new programming language, and successfully they developed and named it as B. So from BCPL they developed B language. So we have to write like this: BCPL led to B. It was developed by the developer of B is it was developed by Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson. What is the motto to develop B language? Their aim is to build a multi-user operating system. By using B, they developed one multi-user operating system. The name of that is called Multics. Now you are using Unix operating system, Linux operating system. It is the first multi-user operating system, Multics. Okay. They successfully developed BCPL. After that they developed B also. Actually BCPL and B, these two are typeless programming languages. BCPL and B are typeless. What is the meaning of typeless? Typeless programming languages means these two doesn't support data types. BCPL and B, these two doesn't support data types. So it is called as a typeless. What is the meaning of data types? Suppose whenever you go to a sweet shop, there are so many sweets. Whenever you go to a hotel, there are so many types of tiffins like idli, vada, dosa, puri, like that. Those are the types of tiffins. In the same manner, in data also there are some types. Those are called data types. These BCPL and B doesn't support data types. So it is called as typeless programming languages. Then there is a person called Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie. He developed a new programming language which supports data types and named it as C. What is the next language? After B, he named it as C. So, B led to C. From B language, C language was developed. Led to C. Who is the developer of this one? It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1972 at AT&T Bell Laboratory. It is a laboratory name, Bell Laboratory. On a computer which is having Unix operating system, on Unix machine. Actually, C support data type. So C is a typed programming language. C is a typed programming language. It It is the history of C language. There is one of the popular programming language, popular high-level programming language, that is BCPL. BCPL means Basic Combined Programming Language. It was developed by Martin Richard. From BCPL, a new programming language was developed and it was named as B. It was developed by Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson is the developer, Ken Thompson. Now BCPL and B, these two languages are called typeless programming languages, means it doesn't support data types. Means, what is the meaning of this? Means those two does not support data types. From B, a new programming language was developed that is called C. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1972 at AT&T Bell Laboratory on a computer which is having Unix operating system on Unix machine. C is a typed programming language. What is the meaning of that? Means it supports data types. A language which supports a data type is called as typed programming language. A language which doesn't support data types is called as typeless programming language. Right. Now it is about the history of C language. Right? My dear friends, you better to note on this. First 5 classes are the demo classes. From 6th class onwards, okay, I will create a WhatsApp group to you and I will send this material to you every day. Until that, you better to note on this, right? These notes, okay? Please, my dear friends, all of you note on this history of C language.
Sir, could you please explain the above points? Actually, I just joined the class.
Okay, sure. Right. There are so many high-level programming languages are there. One of the important high-level programming language is BCPL. It stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. This language was developed by Martin Richard. He is the developer of the BCPL. From BCPL, a new programming language was developed that is called B.
Durga Solutions.
And it was developed by Ken Thompson.
Sir,
Actually, I explained BCPL and B. These two are called typeless programming languages. The meaning of typeless means it doesn't support data types, does not support data types. That is called typeless programming languages. From language B, a new programming language was developed that is called C. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie. He is the developer.
Hello.
C was developed in the year of 1972 at AT&T Bell Laboratory
Hello.
on Unix computer, on Unix machine. Actually, C is a typed programming language, means it supports data types. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you. And what about the above points? I think I can see some points and.
No. It is the syllabus. It is the syllabus. Just the syllabus. Okay.
Okay.
You need to write from here only.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Like which course? All videos means. Okay, sir. Java, only 4 Java videos available in YouTube by Durga.
My dear friends, after
And
completion of
other
writing,
Java
please
videos
tell
are
me.
not
I will go to the next
And
topic.
Python available in our website, sir. You can purchase from website only. And and first you have to log in into our website, and after select that Python course by Durga sir, and you have to apply promo code, you will be getting 70% discount. Yes sir, that are available in our website by Durga sir. Sir, is this your WhatsApp number? I will share that link, sir.
Okay.
Once,
Yeah. But I just wanted final price, ma'am. Like, if you can just give me the final price, contract price, so that I can make the payment.
Okay, done, very good.
Okay, sir. I will share that link.
Now, can I go to
after
next one?
Applying that promo code is Ramzan, sir. Capital letters.
Can I go to the next topic?
RAMZAN. And
Yes,
after
sir.
applying that, you will be getting 70% discount, sir. You can pay
Now,
the payment in the website.
The next question is, what is C? What is the meaning of C? What is C?
70%.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
C is called
I will
high-level
share that
programming
link, sir,
language.
in WhatsApp.
But C supports the features of low-level also.
Okay.
So C is a middle-level programming language.
Okay.
C is called as high-level as well as middle-level programming language. C is a high-level programming language.
Yes, yes. In the, sir,
What is the
you
meaning
want
of
to
high level?
purchase annual package
High level
or
means?
only like Python, Java,
Good.
separately you want?
High-level means we can write the programs by using simple English words. Simple English words like print, scan.
In this
like
full stack web development using Python
So,
and these
the
are-
language
REST
which
API
can
is
be
available
built
in this or not?
by using simple English words, those are called as high-level languages.
I'm actually after the web development
C is a middle-level language.
course. So I need
Middle-level language.
API, Python, Django,
Why? Because C language supports low-level language features as well as high-level language features.
Everything.
So it is called middle-level language.
learn some new technology, right? But then, okay, I
C is a
come back to you.
POP. POP means procedure
All the courses,
oriented programming language.
Sir,
C
all
is
the
a
courses means,
POP
in
language.
website only available,
Means
sir. After
procedure
below
oriented
this,
programming
video,
language.
MongoDB videos are
The meaning of this one is it give more priority to procedure.
You have to
It
purchase
give less
separate
priority
ones,
to
sir.
data.
All content in
So
only
it
one,
means,
video like
what is the
that.
meaning of this one? Procedure oriented
Like
means
REST API
It means-
is separate and MongoDB is separate.
it gives more priority
41 courses are there and
to
in discount you will be
procedure.
getting that,
It give more priority to
7,000,
procedure.
sir, 1 year validity
But
for that videos.
less priority
What?
to data. It is called the meaning of
No
this.
sir, only you will get validity sir, download option not there sir.
Right.
Till 1
C
year you
is
can
a-
access that videos sir.
Typed programming language.
Yes sir, actual price is
What is the meaning of this one?
after discount sir.
It
actual
supports
price is
database.
17,017, but in discount you will be getting
C is a
27,000, sir. 1 year
Case
validity.
sensitive. Sensitive
And,
programming
40
language.
courses, sir, in that package, annual package.
What is the meaning of case sensitive means?
If you purchase
Suppose it is
separately,
small a.
cost will be more. In that annual package, all the courses are added, so
Capital A and small a, both are different.
it is better to purchase them.
Voice is same. It is A, it is also A. But it is capital A, it is small a. If the computer consider capital A and small a as different, then it is called case sensitive. If the computer doesn't recognize capital A and small a both are different, computer is feeling both are same, then it is case insensitive. So C is a case sensitive programming language. In C language, the program will be executed from
No,
top
sir,
to
if
bottom.
you purchase any video,
So it
not
follow
only
the
annual package,
top to
if you
bottom
purchase
approach.
any videos, download option
See,
not
follow
there, sir. You have to extend the validity.
the
if you
top
want
to bottom.
Listen after 1 year. You have that
Execution
option.
approach.
only option is to extend the validity. Download option not there for any videos.
C is a structured programming language. Structured programming language. C program has a specific structure. You cannot write, you have to remember the procedure also. How to write the program. First what to write, then what to write, then what to write, then what to write. Top to bottom you have to follow the sequence also. So it is called as procedure, structured oriented programming language. So this is about the C language. Now how to write a sample C program. Sample C program. Right. Now note on this. What is C? Note on these points. Note on these points.
దీనిపైన
Sir?
Amma.
Sir, can you explain the last second point?
Top down approach.
Yes, sir, yes.
Right. Whenever you write the program will be executed from top to bottom.
yes sir.
First line will be executed first, then second line, then third line, then fourth line, then fifth line. So it follows the top to bottom approach. Whereas Java executed from bottom to up. Whereas C++ also executed from bottom to up.
You want to buy annual package or
All object-oriented programming languages executed from bottom to up. All procedure-oriented programming languages executed from top to bottom.
it will be getting. And
Clear?
how much do you want to pay, sir?
Yes, sir, yes.
4,000. Once I will talk to our admin team and let you know, sir.
Yeah, please
My dear friends,
call me back.
you please all of you
I will
listen.
call to this set.
Don't hesitate to ask your doubts.
If possible, just call me back.
I am giving clear instruction that you should not leave the class with
Okay,
doubts.
sir. I will talk to them and get back to you, sir.
I am here to clear all your doubts. Okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Don't hesitate to ask me.
Thank you, sir.
Please ask any type of doubt. I will clear your doubts. We should not close the class with doubts. If you complete the writing, then I can go to the next topic.
Good evening, sir.
Middle level language means there are two types of languages actually, high level and low level. Low level means in low level language you have to write the total program using zeros and ones.
చేయమన్నారా సార్? 4,000.
You have to write the program in machine language. Machine language is called as low level language.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But we are writing the program by using simple English words. Those languages are called as high level languages. C language supports the features of high level language as well as low level language. So it is called as middle level language. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. After completion of writing, ping a message. Okay, Tanvi completed. Right, can I go to next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, how to write a sample C program? See, whenever you are going to write a program, first line you have to write a hash include stdio.h. This one you have to write. After that, we have to write void main, void space main. After that, we need to start the curly brackets. We need to close the curly brackets. In between these two curly brackets, we have to write the solution for the program. That solution is called as processing statements. Processing statements. Right. It is the sample C program. Now, what is the meaning of this one? This line, it is called as include statements. What is that? It is called as include statements. Include statements. It is called as the main method. The solution, it is called as processing statements. So in any C program, you can see three types of statements. One is include statement, second one is main method, third one is processing statement. Right. Now tell me what I explained. In any C program, we can have three types of statements. What are those? First one is include statements. Second one is main method. It is also called as main function. Third one is processing statements. This line is called include statement. It is called main method. It is called processing statements. In any C program, you can have these three types of statements. Now, what is include statement? Include statement means what? I will give an example before going to explain what is include statement. Suppose I want to do a function at my home. Then I need some chairs, some tables, some tent. From where I have to brought all these things? All these things are available in tent house. Am I right? Tent house. Tent house.
Sir, I asked to our admin team, sir.
This tent house is called as this one, stdio.h. It is just like as a tent house, which will give the tools.
Hello, sir.
Those are required to build your applications.
Sir, they told okay. I
To build your
consulted
applications, you need some
They told
tools.
okay, and
Those
I
tools
sent
are
you the
already
payment
developed
details in WhatsApp.
and kept in stdio.h.
Okay.
You can copy the content of stdio.h into your program by writing hash include. So what is the meaning of this one?
That number
You are copying the data inside stdio.h into your program. That is the meaning of this. After copying the code of stdio.h into your program, then you can use the code and you can build your applications very easily.
Scroll down, sir. Very
Right. Clear?
At last, you have
It is just like as tent house.
upside. I sent you the.
In this, so many built-in tools are there. Before going to use those
Sir,
built-in
after
tools,
payment,
you have to copy into your program. To copy the content of this header file
Sir,
into
after
your
payment,
program,
please share
you have to
the-
use hash include.
Please share the payments screenshot.
Now tell me,
and your
what is hash
registered
include
email
statement? Include statement you have to write at the
ID.
top.
We will give access
top of the program. Means it is the first line. It is the first line in any C program. You have to write hash include stdio.h at top of the C program. So it is the first line in any C
What name you
program.
are getting?
Right. It always begins with the hash symbol.
Okay, sir. You can.
It always begins with the hash symbol. Begins
4,000, sir.
with the hash. Symbol name is hash symbol.
Yes, sir. Sir, share the screenshot with the transaction.
What is the use of this line? It is used to copy the content of this file into your program. So it is
Sir, not
used
like
to
this,
copy
we want
the content
transaction ID and
of which file?
banking name.
stdio.h. It is the file name into our program. Into our program.
Sir, inquiry.
It is also called as one more name. The name is
One
preprocessor directive. Preprocessor directive. It is also called as preprocessor directive. So it is also
Sir,
called as preprocessor directive.
now okay, sir.
What is the meaning of
Sir,
preprocessor?
Once you go to history
Preprocessor
and,
means
see in detail, sir.
it will execute before the main method.
Sir, in
So in your 10th class you write pre-final examination, am I right? What is the meaning of pre-final?
in that phone page,
Before
will
final
have
exam,
history, right? Go
you
to
write
the
one
history
exam that is
and
called as
open that one.
pre-final.
And clearly transaction
This
ID
line
banking
execute before the main method, so it is called preprocessor. Processing means execution. So preprocessor means it will be executed before the main method, means compilation time.
I saw that, but
It will be executed.
in that format. That's
It
why
will be
I'm
executed at compile
try
time.
to check it.
Compile time. What is the meaning of compile? See,
We will-
it is the program you write. It is in English, am I right? Computer cannot understand
there
English,
you
no?
will be getting like banking
Computer can understand
transaction
only the
ID
language that is
and all.
0 and 1. Computer can understand 0 or 1. It cannot understand ABCDs, void, main, it doesn't understand. Then what to do? We need to convert this program into machine understandable. That conversion process is called as compilation.
1 second.
After
Sir, I will
converting
send
your
you
program
one
into machine
screenshot.
understandable,
In
then
that
computer
format
can
it is.
understand and execute your program. So this line will be executed at the time of compilation, not at the time of running. So it is called preprocessor.
Okay, sir.
Now what is the meaning of directive? Directive means it
is
give
okay,
direction
sir.
to
Once
compiler.
I will send it to sir. If there
What is the
any
compiler?
issue, I will, talk
Compiler
to
is a
you.
software
I will tell you, sir.
which convert your program into machine
Once I
understandable
will-
program. So it gives direction to compiler. So it is called as the directive. It gives
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right. You are right.
direction.
Sir, I will
To
send
compiler.
this screenshot and mail ID to our sir. Sir
So
will
it
give
is
access
called
by the end of the day or within 24 hours.
Directive. Directive.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Right. It is about include statement. Include statement. Now what is the main method? What is the main method? Or main function means what? Right. In your program, suppose you write 1 lakh lines of code. 1 lakh lines of code you write. From those 1 lakh lines of code, your program always execution starts from void main. Compiler always test where void main is there. From that, the execution begins. So it is called the first executable statement. It is called the first executable statement. It is the first executable statement. It is the first executable statement. Now, it is very, very important. Without main method, you cannot write C program. So it is very important. It is core. Core means very important. It is mandatory. Mandatory means it is compulsory. Without main method, your program will not be executed. So main method is compulsory. It is mandatory. You can write main method only one time. You cannot write multiple times. So it cannot be duplicated. It cannot be duplicated. Duplication of main methods doesn't allow. It cannot be duplicated means you can write main method only one time. Right. Now it is a user-defined function. It is a user-defined. User-defined means user means you and me. We have to define that function. We have to write code for that function. So it is called user-defined function. The meaning of this one is we have to write the code in this function. So it is called user-defined. User-defined function. We can write main function in 6 models. It has
Hello.
6 models.
Durga solutions.
First model is you can write main
7 o'clock.
or you can
1
write
second.
int main also. Or you can write void main also. Or you can write main of void also. Or you can write integer main of void also. Or you can write void main of void also you can write. You can write main method in following 6 models. Any one model you can follow. I am following the 3rd model. You can follow the 2nd model, or you can follow the 1st model, or you can follow the 4th model. Any model you can write, you can use, no problem at all. Right? This is about.
What is the difference between the both models?
There are 6 models you can use. There is no difference. Actually, you can understand the difference at the time of functions. There is one concept, no? I already explained you. Functions concept. Okay. At the time of functions, okay, what is the difference between int main? What is the difference between void main? What is the difference between just main? You can understand at that time. Okay. It
Okay.
indicates the return data type actually. Return data type. What this function can return means it can return a main integer. It can return nothing. Void means nothing. It don't return any result from this function. Okay, you cannot understand such type of words. Now I will explain you in the topic of functions. Right? So it is about the main function. Now the 3rd part, that is called processing statements. Processing statements means actually it is a solution to the program. It is the solution, right? So what it will tell you? It will tell you, it explains about 3 things. One is what to do. In order to solve a problem, what you have to do. Second one, when to do. When you have to do this task. Third one, how to do. How we need to solve this program. What we have to do, when we have to do, how we have to do. Processing statements explain about these 3 statements. Why? In order to solve a problem. In order to solve the problem. If you want to solve the problem, what you have to do, when you have to do, how you have to do, those steps will be explained by using processing statements. So these are the 3 parts in sample C program, right? Now note on this. My dear friends, note on this. Please all of you note down this. The different parts of C programming and C program. One is include statement. Second one is main method. It is also called as main function. Third one is processing statements. Right. What is include statements? Include statements are at the top of the program. So these are the first line. It is the first line. It always begins with a hash symbol. You have to begin hash. It is used to copy the code of stdio.h into your program. It is also called as preprocessor directive. It executes at the time of compilation. It gives direction to compiler. The second type of statement is main method. It will execute at the beginning, so it is called the first executable statement. It is very, very important. Means it is core. We have to write the main method. So it is compulsory, it is mandatory. You can write main method only one time. So it doesn't possible to duplicates. You need to write the code for main method. So it is user defined function. It has 6 models. It has 6 models. One is main, second one is int main, third one is void main, fourth one is main of void, fifth one is int main of void, sixth one is void main of void. You can use the function in any one of the 6. The last statement is processing statements. Processing statements. It tells explain about three things. One is what to do. Second one is when to do. Third one is how to do. Right. With this, we finished this session. Tomorrow at same time at 8:30, we will meet again. Right? If you complete your writing, you can leave from the class. If you have any doubt, you can ask, otherwise you can leave.
Hello, sir. Recording will be provided.
Yes. Recording as well as material both will be provided. Okay.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is going to
Sir, sir. Okay, sir. సార్ అది యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చినామని చెప్తే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలని అడుగుతున్నారు సార్ చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ అట్లాగే అడిగారు అది కన్ఫ్యూజ్ లేదు మేడం అంటున్నారు యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చిన స్టూడెంట్స్ సార్ అది మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పెట్టింది కూడా నేను వాళ్ళకి పెట్టాను అది అవును సార్ అవును సార్ వెబ్సైట్లోనే అదే మెయిల్ ఐడితో లాగిన్ అవ్వండి యాక్సెస్ వస్తుంది అవును సార్ అవును సార్ ఓకే ఓకే సార్ చెప్తాను సార్ ఓకే సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ ఓకే ఓకే సార్ చెప్తాను సార్
Just 1 minute. I'll come back this way. Just 1 minute.
Sir, access given, sir. Kindly check it once. Hello, sir. Sir, you paid amount for annual package, right? Sir, hello. Sir, you paid 4,000 amount for annual package, right? Sir, access given, once check it, sir. Go to that website and log in with the same email ID, sir. You can able to access that video. Sir? Sir, you sent your email ID, right? Yes, sir. Log in into that website with that same email ID. Your email ID. Yes. Okay, okay, sir. Okay. Sir, once try to open any one of the video. Are you able to see the video? Thank you, sir. Okay.
Yes, by using what this system or this. Now, other one is what then by using runtime class. Runtime is a class. AMR basic we understood that by using runtime class. Inside this runtime class, what we are going to provide there? By using runtime class. Inside this runtime class, what we are providing there? What we are going to get? Just by using the GC method again, in the same runtime class, not right object. First of all, again, we have to get runtime class RT is equal to runtime dot, this is the method to get this runtime method, runtime dot, get runtime method. Whenever we are getting runtime, just RT dot GC. In the point is what? In the system class, GC method is a static method, but in runtime class, GC is for the instance method, not static. It is an instance method, not static. Right. This is like what I am telling here. Runtime dot GC directly is an instance method. We have to get runtime method, then after that we can be able to prepare the content. Okay. Right. Let us check the content here. Then how we are going to provide the content in right of the here. Example we are going to take here. Already system.gc here we have seen. Now again we need to understand like for the runtime. Right. The same program, the simple program we are going to use. First of all, now here I have to take like for the class here. Okay. Take class constructor. System out until now. Object to creating. Next one is public void. Analyze method. System out until now object to display. Then inside is what we are going to do now. Now first of all, we are going to create an object for class here. Now A is equal to 2. A is equal to now. Then after that, what next we are providing here. Now runtime. What is runtime dot get runtime? RT dot GC. System.gc already we have seen. Now RT.gc here we have right an object created after displaying that both here we are getting. So by using runtime class also we can display the objects. That means we can activate the garbage collector. That is the point here what I am trying to explain. That should be by this content here. After completion of this, I have one important interview question. Not trying to understand this question clearly. Yes. Everyone here we have to understand. for the A dot finalize, will it perform any garbage collection because of the finalize method? If it performs, if it performs, if it performs garbage collection because of the finalize method, then we have to get non-part exception. But in this case, you are not going to get non-part exception. Correct? Then we are not going to get for the non-part exception if it is the case. M1A output can be given, so garbage collection is not performed. In this case, what is not performed? Again, garbage collection is not performed. Okay. Okay. Now, the question is what there? If we access finalize message explicitly in Java applications, if we access finalize method explicitly in Java applications, then the garbage collector, then the garbage collector is performing garbage collection over the object. If you access finalize method explicitly in the Java application, then is it possible? Then is it possible for the garbage collection, for the garbage collector to perform garbage collection over the object? To perform garbage collection over the object? No. Right. This is my question. Try to understand it. Answer is what then? No. Garbage collector will perform garbage collection when the objects are eligible for the garbage collection, not because of the accessing finalize method explicitly, not because of accessing finalize method explicitly. If we access the finalize method explicitly, 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 then JV will access that method, finalize method, like a normal Java method. That's the point that we have answered. And we are given that. Right, this please. storage is not eligible.